Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Happy New Year's. So as per requested in the comments, I will be showing you how to make a axe. Now this is one of the more really simple creations I can do. So for the people wondering the difficulty on this video, it's going to be easy. So what you're going to need is like the basic pack. Pipe cleaners is like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, the rainbow one. And the colors I'm going to be using today are going to be blue and yellow. Now, if you want to make it look like a really cool axe, you could use some brown and then some gray, but those are hard colors to find. So for the people that have the same pack I do, you can use blue and yellow. So you're going to need about, this doesn't take that many. You're going to need probably like 3 yellow and then 4 blue, and that's going to be it for this whole video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to take a blue and you're going to bend it about halfway right here. So it looks like that. You're going to press it down all the way here, but you're going to leave a little bit of like a circle. Like, don't completely close it off, but the rest of the one you can close off. And then about right here, you're going to tie off right here. Tie all the way up. So you bring this about to this part all the way here. Take one of the strands left, you wrap it around all the way to the top. And then you bend this last strand here down and then wrap it into that center there. So it looks like a little nub. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take another piece of blue here. And about right here, about like a little more than halfway, so like 75% of the way, you're going to take this here. You're just going to wrap it, and you're going to start wrapping down. The bottom part, it's important to bulk this up for design. So then you're just going to take the rest of this and bulk it down all the way down. And then you're just going to wrap it and wrap it and wrap it. Until you have that little nub there. It looks like that. Now you're going to take another piece of blue here. You're going to wrap right here at the top. Like that. Then you're going to come down here, bring this down here. Right where we finished tying here, you're going to wrap once, then twice right above that. And then you're going to go up until you reach the top. You just keep wrapping it until you reach the top like this, and now the whole thing's like that. And then you can straighten it out like that, and it's going to look like this. Then you're going to take the top piece here, and you're going to fold it once, like that. And now you have basically the stick, or the handle for the oh my gosh, the axe, sorry. Okay, now for the blade part. Now, you can customize this, and I'm going to show you however you want to make this. But here's the most important step here. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the blade, or you're going to take a yellow like this, and you're going to stretch it out about that far. Like that. So that it looks like that. Then you're going to stop about here, like right there. Fold it. And then make it look like that. There should be a little bit of a curve to this part. Then you're going to take this little piece, tie it off till that spike disappears. shape it a little bit so it looks like that. Wrap this up. This is where it gets a little tricky. So you're going to wrap it to this part right here. Then you're going to bend downwards and wrap it over so it's on this side now. And then once you get over again, you're going to wrap it one more time so that it covers that. And then bend that over. And then you just smooth it out a little bit, press it. You can already see it starting to come in. Now, personally, this is where it comes in. You can either repeat this step and make a second part on this side so it's a double-bladed axe, or you can make it however you want from there. But for me, I'm going to just keep going here because this is the kind of design I like. But this is where you guys can start to customize it yourself. Okay. So if you want to keep it at this kind of axe right here, ignore this next step. If you want to have a double-bladed axe like the Vikings, just repeat this process and make a second one of these for this side. But if you want to do it this way, then just keep following along. So then I'm going to take another yellow here and cross it about that far, that much of your finger. Pinch it at the end. You're going to make it about that wide. Cross down and wrap over this. And then you're going to bring this through here, right around this, and wrap it over like that. You can slow it down if you didn't catch all that. And then once you have it like this, you're going to thread it through just like that. And then for my design here, I'm going to bring it like this here, like that. And then I'm going to wrap it over, 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 until it disappears. And it looks like that. And now you have the axe head. The kind I'm doing, at least. Okay. Now, if you didn't do this step and you're still on the other one and you like it that way, or you have the double-bladed axe, here's what you're going to do to attach it. For the double blade, so for the other step, you can just wrap it like this. And then bring this here and then just tie it over and just wrap it over like that. But since I'm doing it this way, I'm going to go over the front. So you're going to bring this here. You're going to have this little bit sticking out here. You're going to bring this here. It should be over. It should be under the little piece here. You're going to tie it once, twice. You're going to bring this over this again. Bring it back down. Wrap it again once, twice. Now you're going to go through the third on the other side here. Once. And then you're going to wrap over that space right there. Twice. Now you're going to wrap it like this. Then we're going to sharpen this a little bit. Bring this out. And now you have a little axe like that. And I can show you what it would look like on a character. I have one right here. It would look something like that with a character. And that's how you make an axe. Now, if you had the double-bladed axe, you just repeat the same process with the other side. And that's how you make an axe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If you aren't already subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, hit the like. If you have any other suggestions on what you would like me to make, I'm taking requests as of this year, and I will keep trying to pour out. And for the people that have already made requests, your video is probably already done. I'm just waiting to upload it for a few more days. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.